Makadi Aqua Park. Makadi Water World Aqua Park, an incredible 40,000 square meters of water-based fun. Makadi Water World Aqua Park is pure enjoyment for kids and adults. Enjoy a variety of slides, pools, and other water-oriented activities that will have you creating a splash. Makadi Water World is one of the largest aqua parks in Egypt, open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. with an hour break from 1 p.m. till 2 p.m. Spend a day of fun at Makadi Water World Aqua Park Hurghada and take advantage of the seemingly endless choices of slides, pools, and games. Hurghada's largest water theme park boasts 35 slides, 14 pools, and a wide variety of activities suitable for all ages. Hurghada Grand Aquarium. Hurghada Grand Aquarium is open daily from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. with the last entry at 5 p.m. The tour lasts between 1 and 2 hours, but there is no limit on how long you can stay. Feel free to spend more time. The daily shark feeding schedule is from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. The feeding schedule may change without prior notice, depending on the species' behavior. Hurghada Grand Aquarium is dedicated to inspiring guests of all ages to appreciate the marine environment while promoting conservation action and developing an understanding of the irreplaceable value of all life in our world's ocean. By teaching children and adults the importance of conservation, ecology, and stewardship, we believe they will apply this knowledge to make sustainable choices and take an active part in preserving our marine environment. Sinbad Submarine. Sindbad Submarine, the only real submarine in Africa and the Arab world. In the heart of the Red Sea. Submarine beckons you to descend 25 meters below the surface, revealing hidden worlds of wonder. As you explore stunning scenes of vibrant coral and teeming marine life, you'll be captivated by the breathtaking beauty that surrounds you. 44 passenger seats, featuring panoramic windows in marble at the unparalleled size this underwater paradise offers. With the utmost comfort and safety, our air-conditioned submarine ensures that your journey is an unforgettable, once-in-a-lifetime experience. The Sinbad Submarine takes you on an unforgettable journey beneath the Red Sea, where you'll explore colorful coral reefs and diverse marine life. With comfortable seating and large windows, you can enjoy stunning views of the underwater world in safety and comfort. A truly unique and memorable experience. Dolphin Show. Dolphin World Egypt is a unique family attraction and the most loved in the Red Sea. An interactive show of these amazing animals' outstanding skills. Watch the dolphins dance, sing, juggle, play ball, jump as wonder, and even paint. Also a super active walrus and sea cat. Swimming with the dolphin is a special moment in our life. Swim and dance with the dolphin for 5 minutes. You can also hug, kiss, and get for your social life a beautiful photo album. Mini Egypt Park. The Mini Egypt Park is located in Makadi Bay and is a very popular tourist attraction, especially with families. It's such a great experience to see all the important buildings of Egypt in just one place, even if only as machetes, but it is still exciting to see them. Get the chance to walk between Luxor, Giza, and Cairo in a few steps. Visit the Abu Simbel Temple and the High Dam at Aswan before arriving at legendary Luxor with its famous Karnak Temple. Head towards Giza for the miraculous pyramids and talk to the Sphinx. In the Egyptian Museum in Cairo at the famous Tahrir Square and discover the road towards Alexandria, crossing the Stanley Bridge before checking out the Roman Amphitheater and the luxurious El Montaza Palace. Mahmya Beach. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Mahmya, stunning ecotourism paradise surrounded by pristine blue waters and a captivating white sandy beach. Discover a haven for relaxation and exploration, where you can indulge in fine cuisine, enjoy delightful music, partake in exciting activities, and mingle with a vibrant crowd. Mahmya offers an exotic escape that will redefine your notion of a perfect day in the Red Sea, leaving you with cherished memories that will endure for a lifetime. Mahmya Island is not an island, it's one section of Big Gifton Island in the Gifton Islands, off Hurghada's Red Sea coast. Lounge on the sandy beaches, snorkel the coral reef from the beach, or boat eat and drink at the restaurants. Relax on the beach of Mahmya Island the whole day and have an unforgettable time. Mahmya Island is part of the Gifton Island National Park and lies in the middle of a charming landscape between the sea and mountains. Island is one of the most beautiful snorkeling and diving areas in Egypt. You'll snorkel and dive in a huge natural aquarium. Orange Bay. Orange Bay is a stunning natural bay in the ecologically protected island of Gifton. The island is surrounded by unspoiled coral reefs, impressive marine life species, and white sandy beaches. The shallow crystal clear turquoise sea stretches for almost 1.5 km and has a maximum depth of 5 m, making it an ideal spot to float away your worries. It is located just 40 minutes by boat from the new marina in Hurghada. Orange Bay hosts a variety of restaurants and bars scattered around the island. We have thought of everything for you to have the perfect experience. Enjoy lunch, dinner, cocktails, business meetings, or parties at any of our locations. Diving. Are your gateway to unparalleled underwater exploration and adventure in the breathtaking depths of the Red Sea. We invite you to embark on a journey like no other, where the vibrant marine life and stunning underwater landscapes of Hurghada, Egypt, await your discovery. Welcome to the realm beneath the waves, where a world of mystery, beauty, and adventure awaits you. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the underwater world, encountering vibrant marine life, and unlocking the secrets of the deep, diving courses and day diving are your gateway to this incredible journey. Underwater landscapes of Hurghada, Egypt, await your discovery. A desert safari. I enjoy a thrilling adventure by a quad bike, dune buggy, or jeep to Bedouin village and learn more about the local life and traditions. Prepare for a fun, family-friendly safari adventure in Hurghada. Ride a quad bike and a buggy through the desert, then watch the sunset from a rooftop before. Learn the basics and take a test drive before your guide leads you on a 20-kilometer journey across the desert to a Bedouin village. Refresh with water and Bedouin tea, and take a camel ride before you head back through the sand to the start point. Explore the desert on an ATV. Gouna. Welcome to Gouna, an enchanting destination to discover and connect with the awe-inspiring Red Sea. This exclusive, laid-back town promises convenient seaside living in an exclusive, self-contained community just 25 kilometers from Hurghada. Gouna is a modern resort on Egypt's Red Sea, near Hurghada. It's built along the shore and on small islands and is known for its lagoons, coral reefs, and sandy beaches. Among these is the long, wide mangrove beach, popular with kite surfers. Ibli Boutique Marina is lined with restaurants and bars. In the downtown area, Tamarhena Square has palm trees, shops, and cafes outside.